Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into some seriously cool stuff happening in crypto world, specifically two AI-driven tokens that are turning heads, Cookie and AIXBT. So let's break it down and see what these tokens are, all about their utilities and why they are making such a splash. But before we get started, it's important to know that this video is for informational purposes only. Cryptocurrency investments carry risk and the market can be very highly volatile. Always do your own research and consider your financial situation before making any investment decisions. We are here to provide insights, not financial advice. So, what are AIXBT and Cookie? First off, let's talk about AIXBT. This token is part of the Virtuals protocol, which is designed to create AI agents that helps users navigate the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies. Unlike your typical meme token, AIXBT isn't just for love, it's got some serious tech behind it. It utilizes a proprietary AI engine to analyze social media trends, pulling data from platforms like Twitter to give users real-time insights into a market dynamics. Imagine having a smart assistant that tells you what's hot in crypto before everyone else knows. Now, moving on to Cookie. This token is associated with Cookie DAO, a decentralized project that leverages a whopping 7 trillion of live chain data. Okay, Cookie aims to facilitate collaboration among AI agents by providing them with rich data feeds. It's all about making AI work together seamlessly, which can lead to smarter decision making in the crypto space. So, if you are into community-driven projects that harness the power of AI, Cookie might just be your jam. The recent search What's Happened? On January 10th, 2025, Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, announced that it would be listing both AIXBT and Cookie. This was a game changer following the announcement. AIXBT surged by 37%. 37.8% even, while Cookies saw an impressive increase of 56%. Okay, this kind of buzz doesn't happen every day. The listing introduced these tokens to over 251 million users. Okay, and putting them into the spotlight. The trading volume for Cookie skyrocketed to over 253 million within just 24 hours. That's some serious market activity. So how do they work? AIXBT features market, for example, they provided the market analysis, right? So AIXBT AI engine scrapes the social media for trending topics and discussions related to cryptocurrency. It analyzes sentiments, whether people are feeling optimistic or pessimistic, helping users to understand market trends better. Dynamic hotspots tracking in a few projects suddenly gain traction of social media. AIXBT can flag its potential opportunity for investors, right? So, and they also can provide you with the real-time insights by processing vast amounts of data quickly. AIXBT provides timely information that can help users make informed decisions. Cookie, on the other hand, okay, can provide you with data aggregation. Okay, so Cookie uses extensive on-chain data to enhance collaboration among AI agents. This means better insights and more informed strategies for users. The Cookie DAO is community-driven approach. Okay, as a decentralized project, Cookie thrives on community involvement, allowing users to contribute and benefit from shared knowledge. So now you might ask, why should you care? Okay, so you might be wondering why all this matters, right? So, well, if you are interested in intersection of technology and finance, these tokens represent a new wave in innovation in crypto space. They highlight how AI can enhance investment strategies and provide valuable insights that traditional methods may overlook. So in summary, AIXBT and COOKIE are not just another pair of tokens, they embody the future of cryptocurrency through advanced AI technology and community engagements. So whether you are a seasoned investor or just curious about crypto trends, these tokens are definitely worth keeping an eye on. If you want to check out more about the newest development about the AI XBT and cookie being introduced into the Binance, okay, just go to the Bankless Times and also CoinGape. Plus, there is a nice article on blockchainreporter.net, okay? So those three articles here, I actually read it through and decided to actually make this video about it, okay? So guys, thank you very much for watching. Any questions, leave it down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and I would do appreciate it if you can actually subscribe to my channel. Thank you.